Hey, welcome and thanks for being here. This video is all about capitalism and the stock market, and it's an overview of the basics of both of these things. And the first thing you really need to know is that our economy here in the United States, our economy is driven by and is the result of the capitalist ideal of the free market system. And the stock market is perhaps the purest expression of capitalism. So, American Heritage defines capitalism as an economic system in which the means of production and distribution are privately or corporately owned, and development is proportionate to the accumulation and reinvestment of profit gained in a free market. Now, conversely, communist economies are not free market systems. The means of production and wealth distribution are generally controlled by the government in communist countries. So the basic principles of communism are completely opposite to our free enterprise foundation of capitalism. So the basic axioms of the United States government is, first, the freedom of its citizens to privately own property. Secondly, the freedom to start and grow a business. And finally, the freedom to own the means of production. So the stock market is practically a natural development stemming from our free system of wealth building. Okay, so the stock market refers to the organized trading of company stocks, securities, and derivatives through stock exchanges. Public companies have to register their stocks with one exchange. So there's the New York Stock Exchange, the American Stock Exchange, or the National Association of Securities Dealers, NASDAQ. There are also some smaller regional stock exchanges which operate outside the USA's main financial center. These include those in Boston, Chicago, and Philadelphia. That's Boston there, BSE or BSX. CXS is Chicago. PHLX, that's Philadelphia. And the Pacific Stock Exchange, PSE, has locations in both LA and San Francisco. There are a couple other small ones, but these are generally the ones you would want to know about. Okay, so the New York Stock Exchange is certainly the oldest and the biggest, and it was established in 1792. It is definitely the largest securities exchange in the United States. The exchange itself does not buy or own any of the stocks traded, and I'll have another video on the history of the stock market, but generally speaking, the birth of investment markets in the U.S. came into being in 1790 as a result of the federal government issuing $80 million in bonds, which they were issued to help refinance the Revolutionary War debt. Okay, but that's all on capitalism and the stock market. I hope you enjoyed this brief overview. If you did, please like it. Thank you.